Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to solve generic equations with variables on both sides. So the equation is just given to you. You don't know what story it goes with. Okay, 4x plus 9 equals 7x plus 2. I would leave the 7x where it is and subtract the 4x. 4x is less than 7x. 7 of those, take away 4 of those is 3 of those. So 9 equals 3x plus 2. Subtract the 2, and you have 7 equals 3x. Well, the opposite of multiply by 3 is divide by 3. And so x equals 7 divided by 3. And 7 divided by 3 is 2.33, and it keeps repeating, but that's far enough for the computer quiz. Okay, 3 minus 8 equals 9x. 3x minus 8 equals 9x plus 4. I would say let's leave the 9x where it is. Let's subtract 3x from each side. So 6x plus 4 equals negative 8. Well, the opposite of add 4 is subtract 4. And the opposite of multiply by 6 is divide by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 1 times x is x. Negative 12 divided by 6 is negative 2. Negative 4x plus 5 equals 3x minus 9. Let's leave the 3x where it is. It's larger than negative 4x. The opposite of subtract 4x is add 4x. So that would be 7x. So 5 equals 7x minus 9. The opposite of subtract 9 is add 9. Yeah. So I have to do that to both sides. So I have 14 equals 7x. And the opposite of multiply by 7 is divide by 7. So x equals 2. X plus 8 equals negative 6x minus 10. Well, I would leave the 2x where it is. So I would say plus 6x. So 8x plus 8 equals negative 10. And then I can subtract 8, make it negative 18. Then I divide by 8. And a negative divided by a positive is going to be negative. 18 divided by 8 is 2.25. So it's negative 2.25. Oh, well, let's come back to this one for a second. What if I did that a little different? What if I left the negative 6x where it is, and I subtract 2x from each side. So I have negative 8x minus 10 equals 8. Then I would add 10 to each side. So I have 18 equals negative 8x divided by negative 8. And I still get x equals negative 2.25. So you don't have to do it where you're always dealing with a coefficient for the x term that is positive. But that's just my habit. Okay, so if we leave the 7x where it is, we can subtract 3x from each side. And the opposite of subtract 5 is add 5. Whatever I do on the right, I have to do on the left. So I have 13. So 4 times something is 13. To find out what that is, I divide by the 4. And that says that something is 3 3.25.